In this video, I'll go over the steps you need to take to withdraw money from Crypto.com to PayPal. Now, first of all, some people have access to PayPal Crypto. If that's you, you will need to get your PayPal Crypto wallet address, so copy that, and on Crypto.com, just go to Accounts in the bottom, select the same cryptocurrency, and you can transfer it straight to that wallet address. But if you just want to transfer your fiat currency into your PayPal account, so that's Euro, US dollar, British pound, then what you need to do is first open up your accounts here, sell the cryptocurrency like Solana here. So I'm gonna click trade, then sell, and just sell this for cash. Click review order and confirm it. Then go back to the account section, then click on Euro or pound or whatever currency you use. Click withdrawal, and you will find that there currently is no way to withdraw directly to PayPal. So instead, just select your connected bank account, then withdraw however much you want. And then from there, open up PayPal and make a deposit from your bank account. And it will then go straight from your bank account into PayPal. So there is a middle step to your bank account, but that only takes about 1 more minute. And now you know how to transfer money from Crypto.com to PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.